Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Naazalivlogandrecipies. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy and very tasty veg kurma recipe. So let's get started. First, heat one kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, keep the flame low. Now add 3 cardamoms, 2 cloves and a 2-inch of cinnamon stick. Then add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Next, add 1 large slice onion and 4 to 5 green chilies. Saute well and add a little salt. Now add 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, half chopped tomato and 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Mix well, cover with the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and little garam masala powder. Fry until the raw smell goes away. Cook the masala by adding a little water, saute nicely, and then make a fine paste in the blender. Meanwhile, let's cook the veggies. You can take your favorite. I have used green peas, carrot, beans, and potato. Cut into small pieces. Add a little water and salt and pressure cook for 2 whistles. For cauliflower, I boiled it separately after soaking it in water with vinegar and salt for some time. This helps clean it properly. I also ground 1 fresh coconut in the wet grinder. Now in a kadai, add the coconut paste, then the masala paste and mix well. And that's it. Our delicious, creamy, and aromatic veg kurma is ready. You can enjoy this with chapati, parotta, appam, or rice. Today I had it with rice and silver biddi fish tawa fry, locally known as paya fish, and the combo was just amazing. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.